This video will guide you through the high wind installation for USA Vinyl's privacy fences. Before you begin installing your first panel, be sure to follow the instructions on layout and post installation, as well as the written high wind installation instructions. Before installing the bottom rail into either post, make sure that it has tape over both ends to prevent concrete from seeping into the rails, causing sagging. Install your desired panel of fence just like a normal installation. After the panels are completed, fill post A and B with concrete to at least 22 inches above the ground. Using number 10 1-inch panhead screws, screw every picket to the top and bottom rail on one side of the fence. These screws will be approximately 1 inch from the edge of the rail. Using number 10 1-inch panhead screws, install one screw on each side of the rail inside the post. Install the post caps and repeat these steps for additional panels.